Introduction to computer. An electronic device designed to accept data, that is input, performs the prescribed mathematical and logical operations at high speed processing, and supply the results of these operations output. It can also store the data and information for future use. Computer can also be defined as an information processing machine. Characteristics of computer: speed, accuracy, automatic, storage capacity, diligence. Speed. Computers work at a tremendous speed. They can process data at an extremely fast rate. Computer can execute millions of instructions per second over and over again without making any mistakes. A powerful computer can perform billions of operations within a second. We can measure speed in millisecond, microsecond, nanosecond, picosecond. Millisecond, thousand of a second; macrosecond, millionth of a second; nanosecond, billionth of a second; and picosecond, trillionth of a second. Accuracy. Computers are very accurate. The level of accuracy depends on the instructions and the type of machine being used. Computers are capable of only what they are instructed to do. Inaccurate instructions for processing lead to inaccurate results, which is termed as GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. We can say that if the input is wrong, the output will also be wrong. That is called GIGO. Automatic. Computers are automatic machines. Once a program is in the memory of the computer, no human intervention, means interference, is needed. It follows the instructions step by step, executes them, and terminates the execution when it receives the command to do so. Storage capacity. Computer has main memory and secondary memory for storing the data. Main memory is small and can hold only certain amount of information, whereas larger memory can hold larger amount of data stored in computer as secondary storage media like magnetic disks and optical disks. Computers can retrieve the information instantly when desired. Data measurement chart. Bit means single binary digit, 1 or 0. 1 byte equals to 8 bit. 1 kilobyte equals to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equals to 1024 gigabytes, and 1 petabyte is equals to 1024 terabytes. Diligence. Computer can continuously work for hours without making any mistake. Computer does not suffer from tiredness, boredom, and lack of concentration. Computer can perform millions of calculations with same accuracy and can repeat as much as it can. Limitations of computer. Computer has no intelligence of its own. Computer cannot change processing step itself. Computer has lack of feeling. Computer cannot learn anything from the past experience. Computer cannot decide on its own. Application areas of computers: education, science, communication, engineering and manufacturing, banking, Business and industries. Science. Scientists use computers to develop theories, collect, analyze, and test data, and exchange information electronically with colleagues around the world. Powerful computers can be used to generate detailed studies of how earthquakes affect building or how pollution affects weather pattern. Computers can also used to make different types of investigations in medical science to find out the diseases and medicines for respective diseases. Education. Mostly all schools, colleges and universities are giving more emphasis in computer education, including in their curriculum. Classrooms and libraries are efficiently utilizing computers to make the education more interesting. Recorded television shows, computer-aided education, and computer-based training, distant learning are making learning much more interactive. Communication. Email is a facility supported by the computers to send messages from one place to another with the help of internet. Email is faster and cheaper means of communication. People can access email from anywhere with their devices with their username and password. Video conferencing, chatting, Facebook, etc. are also different communication means. Engineering and manufacturing. Architects and engineers are extensively using computers in designing and drawing. Computers can create objects that can be viewed from all three dimensions. By using the techniques like virtual reality, architects can explore houses that have been designed but not built. Automobile, aircraft, aerospace, and ship designers use computer-aided designing techniques to design various types of vehicles. Computer-aided manufacturing can be used in designing and planning the product. Manufacturing factories are using computerized robots to perform risky jobs. Banking. Computers are extensively used in the field of banking. Banks use computers for customer record update, account maintenance, transaction handling, communication with other banks, etc. Banks also allows 24 hours banking services to withdraw cash to their customers by using ATM, automated teller machine, and nowadays internet banking, SMS banking and others are also used. Business and industries use computers to manage and grow their companies. That helps to handle different tasks like daily accounting, inventory management, marketing, payroll, and many others. Use of internet and email has changed the way of being used in the business. Small business and industries become more self-sufficient, competitive, and reduce their operating expenses. Thank you very much.